Well, there has been some progress made, and the area is huge, and there's still quite a bit to be done. But you can see our wonderful little mess here. But this wall has been poured out, and then there is new Luan, and that has all been evened out. And a little touch up on the area. It's pretty tight all around there. That still needs to be done. But I just thought I'd give a quick show that it is in progress, and things are always a little bit messier before they get done. But it's coming, it's starting, getting closer.